Kotlin Null Safety, the feature that makes Kotlin truly special. NullPointerException is the #1 crash in Java. Tony Hoare called null references his billion-dollar mistake. Kotlin fixes this problem at compile time. In Kotlin, variables cannot be null by default. String always has a value. String ? Can be null. The compiler knows the difference and forces you to handle it. Add a question mark after the type to make it nullable. Without the question mark, Kotlin will not let you assign null. This simple rule prevents most null crashes. The safeCall operator calls a method only if the value is not null. If the value is null, it returns null instead of crashing. You can chain multiple safeCalls together. The Elvis operator provides a default value when the expression is null. Combine it with safeCall for a common pattern. You can also use Elvis with return or throw. SafeCall returns null when the value is null. Elvis provides a default value. The double bang operator crashes if the value is null. Avoid double bang in production code. After a null check, Kotlin Smart casts the variable to a non-null type. Inside the if block, you can use the variable without the safeCall operator. The compiler is smart enough. Regular casting with as crashes if the type is wrong. Safe casting with as ? Returns null instead. Combine it with Elvis for a safe default value. Use safeCall when null is a valid result. Use Elvis when you need a default value. Use Smart Cast for multiple operations. Avoid double bang in production. The let function runs a block of code only if the value is not null. Inside the let block, the value is guaranteed to be non-null. This is safer than a simple if check. You can write extension functions on nullable types. The function can check for null and handle it. This is useful for creating safe utility functions. Use filter not null to remove all null values from a list. Use map not null to transform and filter nulls in one step. These collection functions make null handling clean. Common mistakes: using double bang everywhere instead of safe calls. Wrapping everything in try-catch instead of using null safety. Forgetting that late init throws if not initialized. Making everything nullable when it does not need to be. Here is a real-world pattern. An API returns nullable fields. We use safeCalls and Elvis to provide defaults. The let function handles the case when data exists. Kotlin Null Safety is built into the type system. Java Optional is a wrapper class you must remember to use. Kotlin catches null problems at compile time. Java catches them at runtime. In the next video, you will learn about Kotlin functions, default parameters, named arguments, and single expression functions. See you there. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Kotlin tutorials. Check the blog post for the full article with code examples.